Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Toyota 86. First, ensure you're in a safe, controlled environment, like a dedicated track or a large, empty lot. It's crucial to understand your car's rear-wheel drive characteristics. Before attempting any maneuvers, always disable your traction control and stability control systems. This gives you full command over the vehicle's power and handling, which is essential for successful drifting. To initiate a drift, approach your turn with a moderate speed. As you enter the corner, quickly press and release the clutch while simultaneously applying throttle. This clutch kick technique momentarily overpowers the rear wheels, causing them to lose traction. Immediately after the clutch kick, apply a quick steering input in the direction of the turn to help the rear end swing out. Once the rear end begins to slide, you must quickly counter-steer. Turn the steering wheel in the opposite direction of the slide, aiming to keep the front wheels pointed where you want to go. Use the throttle to control the drift angle. More throttle increases the slide, less throttle reduces it. Keep your eyes focused on your exit point, looking through the turn. To exit the drift, gradually ease off the throttle as you approach the end of the turn. Simultaneously, slowly unwind your counter-steering input, allowing the front wheels to straighten. The goal is to smoothly transition from a controlled slide back to full grip. Be prepared for minor steering corrections as the car regains traction and settles into a straight line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.